Dancehall forever. Right now, dancehall live along the fire. The whole internet is on fire right now. Vybz Kartel just preview some fire. When I know say right now I be a war going to dancehall. And from what they hear, artists are shoot everywhere, every artist right now, the body thing. And who say you know the body thing, but you have to prove it. So this is what the thing they know. See me? You see 10 take a shoot after Alkaline. You see Davin the doctor shoot after 3 little crooks. Brother, you have everybody right now want the crown from Vybz Kartel. So I could get straight to the business right now. Which part Skillibeng, east side, forward and say, you hear me? Yes, sir. Badness. Skillibeng say, you hear me? Right now, murder upon the rhythm. And right now, Skillibeng, I make you know, say, I Gaza himself.
Fucking busting on your board like me. And everything get fucked when I reach. The beat. Is it? Yo, world boss, which pussy don't want to see you like your new crown, them no plate and a fly up, them get shoot down. In a my boot 20,000 and few pounds stepping on your face, kill it call that a new road. You don't get carried a real life, cruise down, get yourself a dead panelist and a food store, new clothes, funeral you get. Cause you too bold, you chose at the semi, cause you not child, you grown world boss, Mr. Universe, like the blue globe plus the galaxy, them with the globe and a move round. Is that?
Yo. So, this is what I go on now. Alkaline, I forgot to answer again. Massacre. What I go on now, cause Skillibeng in a full force right now. Skillibeng I swear say right now, Gaza I'm saying. So anything goes right now. And Vybz Kartel is a show say have soldier all about the place. You see me? One know the thing say man, boss have fun with this brother. It's amazing to see. Yo Gaza Nation, Royal Boss that road there now and mash up the place. When I didn't do that wait. So now we have to just do so now. Bombs, stream the blood clot song them. Done shot. One now wait pan brother. Wanna know what to do, subscribe. Push it some back. Next subject. We are talking about big bang in the streets right now. That's what it is. Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng, Bombers.
Yo, I know I'm gonna let you that.
Yo, that doesn't show yourself Vybz Kartel work ethic not stop you, so you see it. When you feel say boss did forward home for relax, and I think of vacation. Trick on the done.
I come there from 9 to was about 13 so right now. And when they said, well, let's have one fuck around. And we followed up with this drop it. But they shot something. Fire! Ready? With the last person with his family, if they're out of fight, I'm making them about that quick. Them of the one that is happening for them in projects. Can't say how much it for them in projects.
Bucklad. At the bodies. Gaza Nation. Loud outside. Now, when you know say from what here, people them attack, play things and couldn't wait for Vybz Kartel responding something. I want to know say Vybz Kartel are the slickest when they come to the wordplay. Now, when you know say key man after everybody attack. So Vybz Kartel us forward and make you know say, yo, if you are the key man, yo, me are the locksmith. I have so much key. Me I must be the landlord. Say man I show you say, yo, at my place, you are just a tenant. Buckler, Jaja. Dancehall fire, brother. And they say that. And the next show forward again at the Barclays Center. Buckler. People you see if you say, right now we just wait to see. What go on right now, cause one thing we can say still. When they forward to the bad man song them still. Skillibeng. Skillibeng forward in the game and spit some fire. You see me? So I know nothing new for Skillibeng forward right now and I make you know say yo Edu shell out, you see me? So who no think say my tell say boy don't be the target. And we all know say boy what go on over there a Sunfest and the whole thing about the crown. And you know the man forward and I say boy some man don't want to see you with the crown and yo this thing can get serious. Because right now, wouldn't surprise if I Josh answer him in a real life. You see me? So I could see how this I go play out. Because right now, safe to say, Skillibeng, and then Vybz preview the song, you know what I mean? And yeah, have a buzz. I buzz the place right now. So everybody I wait for hear what Big Bang will be like, you see me? We all know say more than likely it gonna hit. You see me? So special moment in a dancehall. World boss I turn up the thing. Jaja. So you see if you say boy, right now, Skillibeng. So when I say Skillibeng are the prince, that is it. People drop in the comment section, you know. Gaza world, Gaza nation, Gaza time, you know. So you know say, when I have to make the comment section get active and smash a like and send a video. You know this is good. Cause right now, Vybz Kartel have fun. You see me? See the boss I show you say now, a 16 song. Him just cook up in no time with my red bum. So you know say the boss active. While some man I go and get that beat drama, boss I put in your work. You see me? So necessary. We'll see how